Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Today I want to talk about the pronunciation of the Māori part of our New Zealand national anthem, which sometimes is mispronounced badly when overseas people sing it at sports events, and sometimes I also hear some of the parts of it pronounced slightly incorrectly, even in New Zealand. So let's look at the pronunciation so that at the beginning of the year we're going back into our classrooms and into our early childhood centres, into our workplaces, and if something about singing the Māori anthem, part of the New Zealand anthem, is what you do at your place, then this would be a good time to re-look at it and make sure you're pronouncing all the words correctly. The two that I sometimes hear incorrectly pronounced, and this one here is a little bit of a tricky one, because some versions say whakarangona and some say whakarongona. So I did a bit of research about that and found that they're very similar in meaning, and I think some people will say that one or other is actually correct. Apparently this one was the original one, and so that's sometimes been changed to whakarongona. So you could perhaps make a decision about that yourselves with your own version of the anthem, but in my opinion, if it says whakarangona, then that's what I'll sing. The other place that I see this, people say me here, but this is me, and I sometimes hear something here which I think sounds like tātou, but this isn't tātou. So we'll go over the pronunciation, and as we do with all of my pronunciation lessons, we think about the vowels a, e, I, or u, and we put a break after every vowel to make sure that we're pronouncing those sounds correctly. And the other thing to think about with something which has got a lot of letters in like this does, that when we're looking at the letter T, the pronunciation of that will depend on which of the vowels is after it. So if it's T or tu, then that's t, T and tu. So this is a, e, I, o, u. So when it's ta, te, to, it's more of a flatter sound. It's not a t sound. So just remember that when you're pronouncing these ones. Okay, so we've got e, I, ho, wa. A, tu, a. E, I, ho, wa, a, tu, a. O, ngā, iwi, mā, tōu, rā. O ngā iwi, mā, tōu, rā. A, tā, pā, ka, rā, ngō, nā. Me, aroha, noa. So it's not Noah. It's not me aroha noa, it's me aroha noa, a, e, I, o, u. Kia hua ko te pai, kia tau tō, tau tō. Tau tō is different to tātou. Kia tau tō a tā whai. Mana a ki tia mai a te aroa. So this means, O Lord God of the peoples, the nations, the iwi and us, listen to us, cherish us, may your goodness flourish, and may your blessings flow to us and defend New Zealand. So that's the basic meaning of it, and it's kind of a summary of that first verse of the English national anthem, our national anthem in English. So that's a summary of what that means. E hoa atua o ngā iwi mātoura. A tā whakarangona me aroha noa. Kia hua ko te pai, kia tau tō a tā whai, mana a ki tia mai a o te aroa. So hopefully that will help you to just have a little check to make sure that that is how it's being pronounced, and if not, make a few little changes. Ka kite.